today we've gotten a very interesting package. You guys must be wondering what is it? It's the JBL Flip 4. Wow. So this is how it looks from the outside the box. This provides you 12 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof. It has JBL Connect. So basically JBL Connect is suppose, so this is a JBL and this is another JBL. So both of these together will play the same thing at the same time. How awesome is that? And it has a microphone. Unlike the JBL Flip 5, it does not have a microphone. I mean, the JBL Flip 5 does not have a microphone, but this boy does. So it's totally portable and it's waterproof, as you can see. Though the water looks quite fake to me. But let's just get into it. How do I open this? Am I doing it here? Okay. How the hell do I open these boxes? Oh, what is it? Okay, anyways. So this is JBL. I mean, they give you a quite good thing. Like, it's like Holi going on and you're like, yay! So basically that's what it is. Inside the box, first we get the JBL speaker and then we get the charger. Wait, where's the charger? Yeah. We got the charger. So the JBL speaker comes with a rubber body from outside. And then when you open this, you get an aux cable and a charging point, Type-C charger, like this one. No, I mean not a Type-C charger. Type-C's are the fast charging ones, I think. So this is the party boost button, and this is the play and pause. You get a volume button here, volume up and down, up, down. And over here beside that you get it for new Bluetooth devices. So let's start this bad boy up. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna connect it to something interesting. Okay, so we're back and we're set to go. We got our JBL right here and it's connected to my Alexa. Sure. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a song on this and see its beats and stuff. Alexa, play Sun Goes Down by Roy Knox. Oh, that's max volume. Oh. It's lagging a bit. I mean, I think it's a problem with my laptop. Okay, better. So, the beats are really good. I mean, I'm seriously enjoying it. It may not come that well in the microphone. It's lagging a bit. I think that's because of my Wi-Fi. So on the speaker you get dual passive radiators which move according to the beats. So enjoy. Not lagged so much ever. I'm gonna be out. You guys can hear this. Alexa, stop. I seriously do not know why it's lagging so much. Stop. Stop. I think there's a problem with my Wi-Fi, but I'll try playing the song again and see if it works. Hopefully it should. So yeah. Alexa, play Save Me by Roy Knox.
Save Me by Roy Knox, Tim Barron, P. Even. on Amazon Music.
The night has come, cold, losing my control.
It's a problem with my Wi-Fi, I'm guessing, because I've seen other JBL videos,
Feel my soul.
and they're quite good.
I wish that you could save me
I'm gonna head out.
from my addiction. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
As you might have heard right now, this song is awesome, and it might not come that well in the mic, but I know this baby. It's good. So now we're gonna do a water test. So let's see if the waterproof thing is actually real. So I'm gonna keep my Alexa right here, and we'll head. So with here, let's go check it. If it's really true or it's not. There's water over this. Real water. It's water. So I'm gonna put it here separately. The water is kind of moving up here, putting the white. So as you might have seen, it is fully waterproof. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna take water now, and it's actually working. I mean, seriously, this is not clickbait. This JBL has actually survived the test. So let's head out. I was really shocked by this.